Today, our Pure Divine Energy channel reached the 1000 subscribers milestone. Pure Divine Energy channel subscribers and daily viewers, thank you so much for your love, support, and guidance. The better person you become, the better people you will attract. The tongue, like a sharp knife, kills without drawing blood. I have no desire to argue with anyone. I choose to walk away because I just want peace. If you are depressed, you are living in the past. If you are anxious, you are living in the future. If you are at peace, you are living in the present. Relationships are not exams to pass or fail, and not a competition to win or lose, but it's a feeling in which you care for someone more than yourself. When problems come into your life like non-stop rain, remember that your positive attitude will always be your umbrella. Without communication, there is no relationship. Without respect, there is no love. Without trust, there is no reason to continue. Just breathe. You are strong enough to handle your challenges, wise enough to find solutions to your problems, and capable enough to do whatever needs to be done. Forgive people in your life, even those who are not sorry for their actions. Holding on to anger only hurts you, not them. Learn to enjoy being alone, because no one will stay forever. Family is not about blood, It's about who is willing to hold your hand when you need it the most. One day you will be just a memory for some people. Do your best to be a good one. What's done is done. What's gone is gone. One of life's lessons is learning how to move on. It's okay to look back and think of fond memories, but never stop moving forward. There is no enemy outside our soul. The real enemies live inside us. Anger, ego, greed, and hate. Never assume that loud is strong and quiet is weak. Worry is a total waste of time. It doesn't change anything. All it does is steal your joy and keep you very busy doing nothing. Ego is just a small three-letter word which can destroy a big 12-letter word called relationship. Knowledge comes from learning. Wisdom comes from living. Respect the old when you are young. Help the weak when you are strong. Confess the fault when you are wrong. Because one day in life you will be old, weak, and wrong. The best ornament is humanity. The richest wealth is wisdom. The strongest weapon is patience. The best security is faith. The best tonic is laughter. Once you feel you are avoided by someone, never disturb them again. Why do we close our eyes when we pray, cry, kiss, or dream? Because the most beautiful things in life are not seen but felt by the heart. When the ego dies, the soul awakes. Help us to reach 1 million subscribers goal. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in comment section.